Doing a suburban job. What kind of dog conquers outside? He's right. I'm a disgrace to my species. Like that gumball machine traffic cop. Oh my god. Connor's a disaster out there. It's not his fault. He was a great gumball machine. They just shouldn't have promoted him. Oh, I think we're getting close here. Hey, what are you doing?
Just letting the wind wave my hand. Sometimes I like to pretend that I'm flying. Plus, it tickles.
That's stupid. The wind wants my hand to go back, but I'm not letting. I'm stronger than air.
Oh my god, Dad, you lost your hand!
That's all right. I can regenerate. I named his witch and now you're evil. Come on, Brian. You can find your own food. Every animal finds its prey. Dude, get out! I can do this. Holy crap! I'm so much faster on all fours. There's a big rock doing that. Go on, get out of here, you bastard. I did it. I caught a bird. I caught a bird.